Morning, it's just past 10 a.m. over here. First few people already at the beach. But I'm heading towards the market. It's a Sunday, so the market is over here in Benidorm, in the Rincón area. Heading towards there through the Avenida Filipinas, and afterwards, after the quite busy market, because I expect loads of people are up there, I'm gonna explore some bars that are in the Rincón area, like Uncle Ped's, Ray's Chippy are over there as well. And usually they do quite well after the market, so let's check out and walk with me today. The bars on my left side are open already. Cayman is open. First few people up there having a cocktail already at 10, including with their breakfast. Next door, got the Tiki Beach. Nice and sunny out already over here on the Levante Beach today. Beautiful it is. What a beautiful morning. Okay, let's head towards the left here. The Avenida Filipinas. Right next to Tiki Beach. So the last week has been very busy here in Benidorm, and also very, very hot as well. Temperatures of 39 degrees in the shade. In the sun it got easily up to 45. And most people sought for that the beach to cool down a little bit at least, because the nights were hot as well. 30 degrees during night. It's very, very warm for this time of year as well. Yes, it is summer, but it felt very, very warm over here in Benidorm. Thankfully the heat has gone for a little bit. Today will be a nice 30 degrees, and at night it will be 24. So it has gone back to normal again. And believe me, 30 is still very, very hot here, because out in the sun it'll easily get 36 in direct sunlight. Bars over on this side are still closed, like this one. They open up a little bit later. But it is nice to walk past these while it's so quiet. Completely different atmosphere. While Benidorm is slowly waking up. Now we got the Avenida Filipinas already. It's a big street with Hotel Presidente, Golden Arcos, and the Pueblo Market on the backside with the Pueblo Hotel, and all those palm trees along the side. Let's get towards the other side of the road. So I do expect quite a crowd at the market today, mainly because the last few days it was so unbearably hot over here in Benidorm last week. I think many people that are over here for a longer time already, they postponed their market visit until this week, when it finally cooled down a bit. It's the perfect getaway for a nice Sunday to start up your day, visiting the market and doing some nice drinks somewhere afterwards. There's plenty in that neighborhood. Red Lion on the right. Believe it opens at 11. Still quite early for a bar. On the opposite, bars like Brit Station, they're open already. And I believe as well they got a new logo on it on top. But it does look nice. The strip itself is still completely empty, as you can see. to the road towards the market? It isn't. It does show that there's quite a crowd gonna be. So let's find out. They got 2 pints for just €3 until 7. Same prices for the bottles as well of Australia. Here we got Philippines 10. The busy show program for today. Loads of going on, even in summer. Even when most British tourists that are coming are mostly families. That is also why you won't see that many bars filled up during daytime. Families do more other stuff, head towards the beach, water park, and explore more. But don't worry, those bars will be filled up again in September. Golden Arcos Hotel as well. Stunning hotel always. Joker's Bar on the right. And right next door is the Helios Hotel. Also a very big one. People already at the pool over there. Nicely in the sun out there. And on my left side you can see the Survey Group hotels, and they have redone most of the surfaces on the side of all those hotels as well in the last year. Cocktail of the day here at Helios Hotel, Tequila Sunrise. But it is still closed between 2 and 6:30, says the sign. That is the most hottest time of the day as well. And most people are in anyways. Well, probably today a little bit less because it won't be that hot anymore. But it's still recommended to get some rest. Some are inside or in the shade during the hottest times of the day, instead of being fully out in the sun. Called Hotel Pueblo, and that means we're close towards the Pueblo market. Quite a crowd going on here already. And as always, it's very, very busy over here. If you do want it a bit quieter, the best tip is to arrive before 9. It opens around 9, but most stalls are ready to go already by then, from 8:30. It's incredible what a crowd this market draws. Each and every day it is over here. Got some bags over there for just €5. That is definitely a good offer for some nice, for some bags to take with you, like towards the beach and everything, to put your towels in. And something as well that many people do after the market visits, heading towards here for a drink. Now, plenty of bars on the other side of it. Or if you want to take a break, just head towards the left, grab a drink at one of the bars. Some of them even serve breakfast. But I believe there's as well a churro stand at the market, so you can get those for breakfast. Always nice to do so. And now let's check out those bars in the Rincón area. Uncle Ped's is quite close, up to the roundabout and then towards the left. The first one up here, it is still closed for summer holidays. As said, most British tourists do something else right now than visiting bars. So they take their time to go on holiday, that is very understood as well. But the other ones are still doing alright. Got raised chippy over here. All day breakfast, €5. Quite a nice amount of people in. Next door, the Dulce Vida Dutch bar. Usually have live entertainment as well. But it is very quiet, so I think nothing for today. No live entertainment over here. The sun is quite high already, you can see it next to the palm tree. And the Uncle Ped's bar is just over there, on the right side. On my left, still plenty of people heading towards the market. whereas we'll get busier and busier, with peak times around 12 today, I think. That is the most busiest time over there at the Rincón Market. Uncle Ped's over here. I believe they opened up at 10, so half an hour ago. Right now, quite some people in there already. Up next, got the Riviera bar on the left, with the Riviera Hotel. Few people up there. Last few days this bar has been very dead with that extreme weather. It's full out here in the open. People were roasting away over here. Thankfully for them, temperatures got more pleasant. A pool over here at Rosamar. The Explorers Club right underneath the big Ambassador Hotel. Got the Calypso Hotel on the left as well, with a completely new facade. And from the survey group, and they redid most hotels this year. Their bar, actually, it is open. There's only one person in. Oh, let's make it 2. And just on the opposite of the Flash Hotel, at the beginning of the strip, right over there. Most bars over there open later, around 12. Then is the time when it starts getting a bit busier on the strip. But it will be very quiet and calm in summer over there during daytimes. At night, the party is still quite going, but not during day. Another bus picking up tourists or dropping them off. Let's hope for them dropping off so they can start their holiday. That is always the best, of course. And that brings me here towards the ending point of this video. Hope you all liked it. Walking with me this morning over here through Benidorm, watching the busy market again. I at least did so because it was much more pleasant to walk around than those hot temperatures of last week. If you enjoyed it, please do give it a like. Greatly helps it promoting it against the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for that. And if you want to see more, then definitely hit the subscribe button. Have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.